Filmmakers Legal Clinic presents Potential Pitfalls. Filmmaking is a multi-step process that can take years and result in expensive legal surprises if you're not careful. Let's examine some potential scenarios you'll want to avoid as you make your film. If someone feels that your production infringes on their rights, you might receive a cease and desist letter. An artist lawyer might, for example, claim that your movie poster violates copyright law because they believe it unfairly uses the artist's protected image without authorization. You'll be asked to remove any promotional materials with this imagery. Stay vigilant about avoiding copyright infringement throughout your production. But also remember that there are a number of legitimate defenses to a claim of infringement, including that if your use of the material falls into certain highly protected categories, it is likely to be considered fair. Of course, what qualifies as fair use is a complicated legal question, which you can learn more about on our site. Keep in mind that making statements that injure someone's reputation, causing the public to view them negatively, with contempt, ridicule, aversion, disgrace, or in a way that makes sane folk form an evil opinion, can be grounds for defamation. If your documentary paints someone in an unflattering light, you might hear from their lawyers, but you should know the truthfulness of the statement is a defense to defamation. Moreover, a statement of opinion is never grounds for defamation. If your film uses a trademark without permission, that could also be problematic. A trademark is a symbol, design, word, or group of words that identifies companies or products, distinguishes brands, and prevents customer confusion. If a brand manager feels that you misuse their trademark, you might hear from them. But nominative and descriptive uses of trademarks are often considered fair. Nominative is when you use the trademark as the name for the product. For example, if you are running a popularity poll and the product is an option. Descriptive fair use is when you use the words of a trademark in their ordinary meaning. For example, a company having a Super Bowl sale on bowls as opposed to having a Super Bowl sale to celebrate the big game. If your use doesn't cause customer confusion, you are likely in the clear. If you are a video journalist, the law will afford you additional protections. These include, but are not limited to, strengthened First Amendment protections for freedom of speech and the press, under which truthful reporting defenses to defamation and libel claims fall. You would also have a stronger argument for fair use of copyrighted materials and Fourth Amendment rights against search and seizure by police while filming a protest. Protect yourself. Problems like these can hold up distribution of your work. Learn more about additional protections to journalists and their sources on our website.